High-quality bandsaws perform a versatile range of precision woodwork significantly better than other machines in the shop. Take my 17 years of experience in woodworking for it. Bandsaws make fast, safe, straight cuts. They're designed for resawing thick boards with precision. They can cut perfect circles, square edges, mortise and tenon and dovetails. In my shop, I have 2 bandsaws. The small saw is a Delta 14 inches 1 horsepower. I keep a 3/8 blade on it for finer curved work. The second is a larger Laguna 18 inches 3 horsepower bandsaw. I keep a 3/4 blade on it for straighter even cuts and resawing wood. In this article, we will begin by discussing the top 5 bandsaws. There are many products available to choose the best bandsaws for woodworking, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bandsaws for woodworking, from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Jet JWB10 10-inch bandsaw with stand. The Jet JWB10 10-inch bandsaw with stand is a reasonably powerful and versatile tool for a small machine. This bandsaw features a powerful half-a-horsepower motor that can handle tough cuts, making it ideal for ripping and cross-cutting large pieces of wood. The 10-inch blade capacity allows for working with larger pieces of wood, while the cast iron table provides a stable and durable surface for cutting. The JWB10 also includes a quick-release blade tension lever and a blade tracking adjustment. This makes for easy adjustments and blade replacement. The fence is nothing special, but it's better than most small bandsaws. This tool is great for beginning woodworkers or hobbyists. Number 2. Grizzly GO555LX Deluxe Bandsaw 14. For the woodworker on a budget, this is a good 14-inch bandsaw. The Grizzly is equipped with all the basic features you will need in a bandsaw. It's an industrial-grade bandsaw, thus the price. This saw cuts nicely with well-made guides that keep the blade straight, and a decent amount of power. The 14-inch bandsaw has a large cutting area to help you handle bigger jobs. The Grizzly GO555 has a 6-inch maximum cutting height, good if you'll be handling thicker pieces of lumber. Its frame is made well, so expect it to be a stable base while cutting. However, the fence is not the best, but I guess that's acceptable for this price. Number 3. Powermatic PM150015 Bandsaw 1791500. If you like a superb 15 inches bandsaw, the Powermatic's PM1500 15 inches is the way to go. And like any Powermatic made product, everyone will say, you get what you pay for. This has a very powerful HP motor and is able to cut what it needs at top-level precision. Its T-square style AccuFence provides an extra level of safety and accuracy. And like its big 20 inches brother, Powermatic's PM1500 15 inches blade tension with electrical interlock is a great addition for safety. A few extra well-thought-out details are the fence, which is smooth, sturdy, and tall, perfect for resawing. Also, the protective guard has a measuring gauge, adding an extra layer of precision and protection. Number 4. Powermatic 20-inch bandsaw, 5 hydrogen phosphide, 1 pH 230V. Okay, we've now entered dream machine territory. You might say that this is super expensive, and you're right. At almost $6,000, the Powermatic 20-inch bandsaw 5 HP 1 pH 230 volts is a luxury good. But there's a reason why Powermatic is so expensive. They have the most powerful motors and pay more attention to quality details like metal fences, clearance plates, bearings, and guards. Cutting with this machine is fun. It weighs a hefty 959 pounds. This bandsaw is rated at 5 horsepower and cuts through wood like butter. I love that it is equipped with a tool-less adjustment system. It lessens set up the time to do what you need to do, cut. I also like the blade tension with electrical interlock release that prevents the bandsaw from starting when detensioned. For large projects that need power, the larger resaw with precise cuts, this is your perfect workhorse. Number 5. Laguna 18 HD Bandsaw. Moving on to the bigger options. The Laguna Tools M-Band 185400 Italian 18 HD Bandsaw. I have had this bandsaw in my shop for over a decade. For some reason, it reviewed badly on Amazon, but it's the third best on my list. Like a Ferrari, it's Italian-made. The welds and seams are excellent. At 4.5 horsepower to 5 horsepower, it's a lot of power and cuts smoothly. It has 14-inch wheels and a 12-inch height capacity. I'm able to tilt its cast iron table 7 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right. This creates a range of cuts I can make with this bandsaw. I also bought the optional Pro Light system for better illumination on my work. The quick-release tension lever on the bandsaw blade is a big plus. I love this very dependable machine. I've had mine for quite a while and have never encountered any problems with it. It's a great machine for a professional woodworker at a decent price point, and if you're a serious woodworker, it's a steal. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.